Welcome to the 21st lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 2. In this lesson, we will mainly learn how to use colored lines to represent multiple structures. Right-click on the relevant panel, then enter the Edit Panel Image mode. Use the Line tool here to draw a closed area. Set the dimensions, and then use the Fill tool to color the enclosed area. Click on the color block to choose different colors to distinguish between structure areas. Once done, exit the Edit Panel Image mode. If needed, you can click here to hide all the colored lines on the page. We can export to SmartGraph to see the result. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.